Hey everybody, Fowler Nerd here, and today we have a really easy fix. We're going to replace the keyboard on this ACER ASPIRE 5810T. So we've already removed the battery, so we'll put it on the desk here. Open it up. And you can't really see it, but there's little tabs here, here, and here. So what you do is take your little tool here. It's the only thing you need. Flathead screwdriver works, but you have to be careful. Push that tab down. Keywords pop right up. Push that tab down. Get underneath of it. Find your next tab. Push it down. Find the next tab. Push it down. Slide your thing up there. And then it should slide right out. Okay. You flip this up. See there's a little pad here. And it has two little prongs. Slide out. 1, 2. Slide the ribbon cable out. And then you get your new keyboard. Ribbon cable back, and it just slides right inside in its place there. Let's get a little bit closer here. As you can see here, it's got two tabs. So you slide your ribbon cable. I'm trying to do this one-handed and it's not working so well. Slide your ribbon cable back in. And then when you get it slid in, pop both those tabs back down. And then keyboard slides back in and pops back into place. And we're done. That's basically all there is to it. All right, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed yourself, like, subscribe, comment, and we'll catch you next time.